Have you forgotten your TikTok password or TikTok, say, incorrect account or password on your iPhone? Well, don't worry. In this advanced video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix incorrect account or password problem on your TikTok account. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your iPhone. Double check your email or phone number. Solution 1. Forgot password. First, open up the TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap Login. After that, select your login method. I'm going to choose the first one from Use Phone, Email, Username options. Then tap Email/username from the top. Now here, type your username, then tap Continue. After that, tap Forgot Password. Now select Reset Password option like phone or email. I'm going to choose phone. Here, enter your phone number with your country code. Then tap Continue. TikTok will send you the verification code by phone call. Enter the code here. Now create a new password from here. Solution 2. Clear App Cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Now go to the TikTok app and try to log in again. Hope your problem is solved by now. If you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.